Hey Squirrel Squad, we have a breaking news update. Since inflation has been kicking our asses this past year, all of our favorite meme stocks are starting to crumble. Between Roblox falling off a cliff yesterday, AMC taking a Donald dump the previous day, GME acting bipolar, and Elon Musk getting on earnings calls acting more confused than a chameleon in a bag of Skittles. We have a lot to talk about here. First is Roblox. Their first quarter earnings report shows that the video game producer is battling lower player spending on its platform. There are concerns about a slump in the video game industry, and this sent its shares down 23% to mark their worst day in more than 2 years. Talk about the shit hitting the fan. This move signaled that people were dialing back on spending within Roblox's video gaming platform amid an uncertain economic outlook and elevated inflation. AMC Entertainment reported falling movie attendance, indicating bigger problems for the broader entertainment industry. If consumers are spending less money on coffee, it isn't surprising that they'd be scaling back their entertainment budgets. I, for the record, spend a ton of money on coffee. If you take away my coffee, you will experience the squirrely wrath of me drop-kicking your nuts. Now for investors, AMC stock is sinking lower due to a weak attendance figure. U.S. attendance was 30.49 million, reflecting a yearly decline of 5.8%. As if AMC's future doesn't look questionable enough, the company hasn't been able to find a lucrative niche, as evidenced by the fact that AMC stock is down more than 93% for the past year. Ouch! That's freaking terrible. It operates in an era in which consumers clearly no longer spend as much time or money at the movies. Attendance is down, and so is AMC stock. Neither one is likely to recover. If a list of stocks to sell includes AMC, the other leading meme stock probably won't be far behind. GameStop still benefits from an occasional retail trading frenzy, as we saw last week when GME stock rose unexpectedly. Then the retail investors FOMO, and then get their rabbits cooked as usual. Then post their losses on Wall Street bets with the other smooth brains. You think they would learn by now? GME shares are now struggling again, which should remind investors that meme stock surges are always temporary and shouldn't instantly be seen as a reason to double down on shares. That's especially true for GameStop, as Roblox's muted spending forecast news calls to mind that interest in gaming is down. If movie theaters are feeling the sting of discretionary spending cuts, video game producers and retailers will be in for the same treatment. Wall Street sentiment toward GME has been sharply trending downward lately, and for good reason. At its core, GameStop is a plastic disc retailer, and right now that's not a good market to be in. Meme stock momentum can prompt quick surges, but it can't make the struggling stock a good buy. Unlike the other meme stocks to sell on this list, Tesla is still an industry-leading company. At least it used to be. I don't know what the hell has been going on with them lately. Competition in the electric vehicle EV market is heating up, leading to more affordable options for buyers seeking to go electric. Additionally, the recent trend of layoffs has cast further doubt over Tesla's growth prospects, even as the company makes progress with its autonomous driving technology. However, in an economy where consumers are spending cautiously, expensive luxury EVs aren't a great product to be selling. Plus, Elon Musk getting on earnings calls, mumbling and rambling about nothing causing the Tesla stock to tank after hours is frustrating. Tesla has struggled throughout 2024 to increase deliveries and continues to suffer decreasing market share in China. Clearly, buyers aren't enthusiastic about purchasing Teslas. While the market is likely to slowly recover within the coming months, that doesn't mean Tesla stock will enjoy the ride. Right now, it's hard to be optimistic about such a volatile stock when economic conditions are clearly working against it. Plus, the fact Tesla stock is currently down over 31% this year doesn't help matters either. Okay, my squirrel friends, that concludes our breaking news update. We'll see you next time.